Hello viewers, Assalamualaikum. This is Garnish. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you how to make guacamole. This is a Mexican dish. I hope you will like this creamy, soury and spicy dish with lots of tortilla. So let's get started. I'm making for one person, so 2 avocado is enough for one person. I took 2 avocado, some cilantro, 1 lime, some tomatoes. I choose the pearl white onion for my guacamole because I saw always in Chipotle they are using white onion in guacamole, and also I took red color peppers. It will give you the nice color in guacamole. So take off the seeds from the peppers. It are not gonna hurt you in the stomach. Here is the juice from 1 lime, and now I'm gonna chop them all the items. And here is the cilantro. You cannot think guacamole without cilantro, so I chop them very slightly because it will give you more flavor if you slice them up so much. And now here is my pearl onion. I didn't use the big onion, I used those. This has a really nice flavor. And also for the avocado, if its stem is soft and can come out properly, that means it's ripe enough. Now I'm going to cut the avocado. It's good inside. Here I chopped all the items for my guacamole. First I take a mixing bowl and then I take off all the avocado. Now I'm going to mash them. Then I'll add the other items one by one with the avocado. First I'm adding half lime juice, another half I'll use it later. And now I'll add chopped onion and chopped cilantro, tomato slices, chopped red pepper, black pepper around half teaspoon, salt to taste, smoked paprika for flavor, white sesame seeds for optional, about a pinch of cumin powder for flavor, and mix them properly. Finally, I garnished on the top with spring onions, white sesame seeds, and some black peppers. Then I'm adding rest of the lime juice on the top for extra sour flavor. Here is my guacamole is ready to serve with all the tortilla. I wish you will follow this process how I make it. I just add white sesame seeds and the spring onion extra. Otherwise it's just like as Chipotle guacamole. So you'll love this Mexican dish. If you like it, give me a comment and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe my channel for next cooking video and share with your friends and family. Thank you.